What is up everybody, good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me Vichi Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Sun token and Binance. So since Binance is an exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, I can easily tell you guys how you guys can buy Sun token. But before I show you guys how you guys can buy Sun token, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's get right into the video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus. So let's get right into the video. First step, you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Once you come to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, and log in into your account, you want to go on where it says trade. And once you're in trade, you want to go on advanced. You can also use these other one, convert, classic, but I like to use advanced because advanced is easy and there's a lot of option to play around with. All right. So once you go on advanced, you want to click on this buy over here. So basically you want to be in this blue section. If you're in like the red section, it means sell. So you want to go on buy. So once you're in buy, you want to click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, you want to search for Sun because you are buying Sun token. Now you want to click on this one where it says Sun/USDT, which means I'm going to be buying Sun using USDT. Once I click on Sun/USDT, it's going to take me to this page. So the current price of one Sun is around this USDT. So let's say I'm buying like 100 Sun, then it's going to cost me around 3 USDT. All right. So basically after doing that, I can click on buy Sun. Once I click on buy Sun, Sun will be bought. In another word, Sun token. All right. So that's basically how you guys can buy SUN, or in another word, Sun token on Binance. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. And don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Binance to get up to $10. See you guys in next time. Bye bye.